The biggest asteroid known is Galaxy, Milky Way, Ceres, or Proxima Centauri, and the correct answer is Ceres. Which planet is also called as twin of the Earth? Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, or Pluto? And the correct answer is Venus. Considering average distance, which planet is closest to Earth? Venus, Mercury, Mars, or Jupiter? And the correct answer is Mercury. Which planet has the shortest year? Venus, Mercury, Mars, or Jupiter? And the correct answer is Mercury. Which is the brightest planet? Mercury, Venus, Earth, or Jupiter? And the correct answer is Venus. Which of the following part of Sun is visible at the time of eclipse? Photosphere, corona, chromosphere, or core? And the correct answer is corona. Select the correct chronology of the planet according to their size. First Mercury, second Mars, third Venus, and fourth Earth. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4, 1, 3, 2. And the correct answer is 4, 3, 2, 1. Which planet is known as morning star or the evening star? Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, or Mars? And the correct answer is Venus. Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Venus? And the correct answer is Jupiter. Which planet spins backward relative to the others? Venus, Mercury, Saturn, or Uranus? And the correct answer is Venus. Watch our other videos. Support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon.